What is going on? Welcome to Live It to Nessa. I am Nessa, and today I am going to show you how I blow out my 4C hair to prep it for trimming. If you've been following me lately, you know that my hair has been acting up a lot. And a couple of videos ago, I did mention that I probably will be trimming my hair on my own. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Now keep in mind, this is probably going to be a two-part video. The first one's going to be the blowout process, which is right now. And the second one will be the trimming process. So if you are interested, keep on watching, but also make sure that you are subscribed and your notifications are turned on so you don't miss out on the next upload and all the other ones. So if you're ready, let's get started. So I'm going to do this on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I've had this little turban on for the past hour or so. I actually watched quite a few YouTube videos to kind of get an idea of what I needed to do. So I'm going to show you what I'm working with right now. So my hair is in twists, which is what I usually have my hair in after I wash my hair, and I don't know what I'm going to be doing with it yet. And this is actually going to help make the process a lot faster because my hair is already sectioned into the sections that I'm going to be using to blow dry my hair. So I'm going to be using this blow dryer right here. It is the Infinity Pro from Conair. I've had this for a while. I really don't blow dry my hair, so I can't really tell you this is something that I use a whole lot. It comes with 3 different attachments. This one right here is the comb attachment that I am going to be using, and it looks like this. It also comes with this second comb attachment right here. This one has 2 different rolls and it comes with a brush, but I figured that this one would be the best one for me, so this is what we are going to be using today. I'm also going to be using some heat protectant. This one is from Mayel Organics. It's from their Mogungo oil line. It's a thermal and heat protectant spray and it looks like this. So this is what I am going to use so I can protect my hair, and I'm going to get started, show you guys what I'm doing and explain it to you a little bit. I also have some clips that I have handy that I will be using, so whatever section that I am not going to be working on, I can put them away. And I also have my spray bottle right here, so I can mist my hair a little bit if I feel like my hair needs a little bit of moisture. But then again, I made sure that my hair wasn't super wet so I could speed up the process. I did not want to be doing this forever. It says to spray it on wet or dry hair and style as desired. Do not rinse. For best results, apply product to hair prior to heat application. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So this blow dryer has 3 different heat settings. You can use it on cool, warm, and hot. I think I'm going to be alternating between warm and cool. It depends. And also you can either work on low or high. I am going to start off on low and maybe move on to high. I'm not really sure. We'll see. So I'm going to make sure that this section is well detangled. This is my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. So now I'm going to start off with my ends and just work my way up to the roots. Again, I am starting off with warm and the low setting. Alrighty guys, so a few tips that I wanted to share with you as you watch me do this is, first of all, you want to start on clean hair. So you want to make sure that you wash your hair and dip condition, preferably with a strengthening dip conditioner, because of course you are going to be applying heat to your hair. You're going to be applying heat directly to your hair. And I also did apply leave-in conditioner. And the second thing is that you don't want to do this on soaking wet hair. That is why you saw me with the turban. The turban absorbed a lot of the water. So my hair was damp. I had the turban on for a couple of hours. So you want to make sure that most of the water is absorbed before you start with the process, because it's going to make it a lot easier and you're not applying heat on soaking wet hair either. So this is what this section looks like right now. I am going to leave this alone. It feels pretty dry, and I'm going to move on to the next one. And then later on, I'll just go and pass on some more. I'm pretty much going to repeat the same step with this one. I am going to apply my heat protectant. Just going to spray it onto the length of my hair. And I'm going to make sure I work it in very well. I'm also going to use my detangling brush for that, just to make sure that all my strands are well coated with the heat protectant. And then now I am going to use my blow dryer. At this point, you pretty much want to repeat the same process all over. And the other thing I would say as well is just work in small sections, especially if you have kinky hair like mine. The smaller the sections, the easier it will be for you to get the job done. And also make sure that every section is thoroughly dry before you move on to the next one. That is important as well, because you don't want your hair to start puffing up. No. Okay, pause. Did you know that all that hair was hiding behind all that shrinkage? Because I didn't know that. But look at those ants. God. So I know a lot of people are against using high heat on your hair, and to be quite honest, I alternated between low and high heat, and I found out that when I'm using the high heat, my hair dried a lot quicker. So I did a lot of high heat and went down to warm and low whenever, I kind of got a little scared or whatever. But honestly, it did not hurt my hair at all. I just feel like if your hair is well prepped, and by that I mean if you use a good heat protectant all over your hair, but also cleansed and deep condition your hair, I really don't see you having any issues if you do blow dry on high heat. At the end of the day, do whatever works best for you. I'm just saying I don't really see that it is a problem. I washed my hair a week later and it reverted right back, so yeah. Now that I'm done, I decided to go all over my hair again, and at this point I'm only using the low setting because I've already blow dried my whole entire head, and I just wanted to make sure that I did not miss anything and it is all dry. And here I'm just doing a quick length check, and my hair actually grew a lot during those 3 years. I don't usually do length checks, and I never can tell you how many inches that I have. I just look at how healthy my hair is, and that's pretty much it. Alrighty guys, so I am done with this whole blow drying process. It actually was a lot easier and a lot quicker than I thought it would have been. I think altogether it took me about an hour or so that is not bad at all. And I actually think the blow dryer that I was using helped out in speeding up the process. If you want information on that blow dryer, I will find it online and link it for you guys in the description box. Let me know if you've ever tried blow drying your hair at home. Is it something that you like to do? How often you like to do it? Love to hear from you guys. And remember, I only did this because I do plan on trimming my hair by myself, which probably will be the next video. So if you want to see that one, make sure you are subscribed and ring the bell so you don't miss out. I would love for you to be part of the family. We are trying to grow to the first 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoy my content, please hit that subscribe button below and ring the bell. If you'd like to see more videos, first impressions, or tutorials, I will play some for you right here on the screen. Be sure you check them out. And thank you so much for hanging out with me once again today, and I will catch you in the next one.